My name is Alfred Uncle. I am into the MS Applied Financial Economics program. I'm also the president for the African Professional Network, a group of African community here in St. Louis University.
African Professional Network happens to be my first student social contact in SLU, because I'm a Nigerian, the most populous black nation in the world, and it really gave me visibility in terms of assistance, in terms of network.
21st century where we live, the Gen Z generation, what really counts most is not the money you have, but it's the network you have. Because the network then helps you get the money. And I feel that the currency in the Gen Z generation is network. And that is what APN is helping me to build.
The African Professional Network, I can say, is like a home away from home. You get to meet and to connect with people from different African countries, and those are the same people that will direct you to different opportunities around St. Louis University. And also it is the best experience to have a community that celebrates your background and also help you to thrive academically.
As an international student navigating through my journey coming here to the United States, where I have to learn a new culture and navigate through the process, the African Professional Network really helped me, because when I got here, one of the very first people that I met was the president of the African Professional Network, called Joseph, and he really helped me a lot, like getting stuff, taking me to supermarkets and places around, showing me some of the things I could easily have access to.
The community has been great, the fact that you know that you have your people around you, it's really amazing. You're from here, and like I know that I have this community and I have these friends that will be able to understand where I'm coming from. There will be no too much of cultural differences, and so far so good. It has helped me feel like home. I think that's just it.
So I think with the SLU African Network, we brought our idea or our vision is just so that when an African student comes, he or she too will feel that, oh, at least I know this person. I have a Ghanaian, I have a Nigerian, I have a Congo, I have all the 52 or 54 countries in Africa. The person will feel that, yeah, I have brothers and sisters here, and then will feel okay, because some people are not good adapting to new cultures, and it really helped them.
So one of the things we do is we get in touch with African students here in St. Louis, and all African students who are planning of coming to St. Louis, and we pick them from the airport. So we help them transition. It can be very rough when you're moving all the way from Africa to here into the United States. So what we do is to do most of the heavy lifting for them, so they can have a very smooth transition. And we also organize programs that help us to build a very strong community for ourselves. We also connect ourselves to the professional market, and one of the programs that we'll be having this fall 2025 is connecting to the job market, and the ultimate aim is to help African student or African grad get connected to the market, and to find some kind of job offers after school. The African Professional Network is a very strong and a very wonderful community, and we are here to support each other. So I encourage everybody to be part of the African community, because we are all here for the greater good.